Hi, I'm Susan Westmoreland, Culinary Director at Good Housekeeping. If it involves food, it involves me. Thanksgiving can cause family feuds, but your stuffing shouldn't. Today I'm going to show you 2 stuffings from different regions that will please everybody, I promise. What I love about this stuffing is that it has some sweetness with the dried fruit, but it also has savory because it has a lot of fresh herb in it. And then fennel kind of adds another little subtle sweetness and anise. The best part about this stuffing is that all the ingredients are baked into the cornbread. All you do is crumble it, drizzle it with broth, and bake it off. You'll know it's ready when it's nice and golden and the toothpick comes out clean. Thanks for joining us. For more recipes, tricks, and tips, check us out on goodhousekeeping.com.